Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Motion 4 and creating a new project so the timeline is ready. Import your clips, images, and audio immediately because organizing assets first speeds every later step. Once done, set frame size and 30 FPS, then drag media to the project pane. You create a group layer at the playhead to contain edits. This helps you control transforms and effects as a single unit and makes trimming and keyframing faster and less error-prone. You now build the middle of the motion. Add behaviors and filters to the group so changes update in real time. Then keyframe position, scale, and rotation where needed. Use the curve editor to ease motion because smooth interpolation reads as professional. Make masks and set blend modes to integrate layers visually and nest groups to keep complex sequences organized. As you go, scrub the timeline frequently to catch timing issues and adjust keyframes for rhythm and pacing. You finish by rendering with optimized settings that match delivery. Choose H.264 for web or ProRes for archival quality. Make sure audio is in sync and color balance is consistent. Apply final stabilization or retiming only if necessary, because each change adds renders. If rendering fails or you see artifacts, clear the render cache first, then update your GPU driver, and if needed, roll back the most recent change. That sequence resolves most problems quickly, without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.